Alright, so we had a major fail. We did some prepping to do our ceilings, and it turns out that the on sale paint was on sale for a reason. So I highly recommend everybody stay away from this stuff. Whatever this is, don't freaking use it. That's what we get for going cheap. I just was walking around and saw a bunch of paint on sale, so I said, hey, we're gonna need this eventually. 3 months later, this is what our first coat looked like. You can't even see it on there. It's just like clear. It doesn't even give a white color. So now I have to let this dry, then re-sand it, I guess. And we're gonna get back to what we were doing once we find another paint. Lesson learned, not everything on sale is good for you. So today we are going to, as you see, we started taping off. We're gonna start painting our ceiling. We started earlier, but between the paint that we bought and maybe it's sitting too long and us not shaking it good enough, just wasn't stick, so we had to go back. We got some new paint with and they shook it up really, really well for us. So that should work out very well, so stand by. Coat doesn't look too bad. It's definitely a lot brighter in here. Definitely loving it. We got some, well, we're gonna remove this period, so I'm not really worried about getting this all painted up. This is gonna become a skylight, so no worries on that one. Our windowsill is black, so what we've been doing is going over with a wire brush on a drill and just polishing them off. And so I'm gonna take all this prep down and start getting started on this, and we're gonna paint this with this Rustoleum flat black and see how that rolls for us.
Those look awesome. Can you see it? This change in black makes it look way better, and it's gonna pop against the white, and then when we get our wood in, it's gonna be beautiful. Hey.